Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Are you looking for a refreshing gut-friendly summer treat? Today, we are making a nourishing watermelon coconut sago using our Koso and Chaz Organic rich coconut milk. Chaz Organic coconut milk is a rich and dairy-free alternative made from only two ingredients, organic coconuts and water. Ethically sourced from regenerative farms in Sri Lanka and certified fair trade, this coconut milk is perfect for smoothies, desserts, and everyday cooking. It's organic, vegan, free from gums, preservatives, and added sugar. I've tried many coconut milk, but this one is my favorite. Rich, clean, and simply the best. You can smell the quality when you open the can. I like that organic coconut milk is kind to nature, people, and animals. And today, instead of using sugar, we are sweetening this dessert with Koso, a Japanese fermented drink made from over 100 plant-based ingredients. It added a gentle natural sweetness while supporting gut health, digestion, mood, and skin from the inside out. You can also drizzle it over yogurt, oatmeal, or use it as a sweetener in your favorite drinks. Watermelon is not only hydrating, but it's rich in electrolytes such as potassium. It is perfect for staying refreshed and balanced during hot summer days. Have you tried sago? Sago is similar to tapioca, but smaller and clear. Sago's chewy flavor is very addictive. If you haven't tried sago, this is a sign. This watermelon coconut sago is so easy to make. As always, you need 2 cups of watermelon, 1 cup of Chaz Organic Premium Coconut Milk, 1/4 cup of dried sago, 2 tablespoons of Koso. This serves 2 to 4 persons, depending on how much you wanna eat. Start by boiling the sago until translucent. Then rinse it under cold water and let it sit in water. Blend the watermelon and Chaz organic coconut milk until smooth. In a cup, combine the cooked sago and blended coconut watermelon mix. Then pour in Koso. Chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Serve cold and enjoy. This is a delicious way to stay cool, nourished, and balanced inside out. Give it a try this summer. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.